If you've ever watched a nature documentary or stumbled upon a cute photo online of a small animal standing upright, scanning the horizon like it's about to give a speech, chances are you've seen a meerkat. These little creatures have fascinated people for decades, not only because of their unique appearance, but also because of their fascinating social behavior and lifestyle. But what exactly are meerkats? Let's take a deep dive into who they are, how they live, and why they've become such beloved animals in popular culture. Meerkats are small mammals belonging to the mongoose family, Herpestidae. Their scientific name is Suricata suricata. Despite sometimes being mistaken for rodents because of their size, they are not related to mice or rats. Instead, their closest relatives are other mongooses. Size: adult meerkats usually measure about 25 to 35 centimeters, 10 to 14 inches in body length, with a tail adding another 17 to 25 centimeters, 7 to 10 inches. Weight: on average, they weigh between 0.6 to 1 kilogram, 1.3 to 2.2 pounds. Appearance: they have slender bodies, pointed faces, dark patches around the eyes like natural sunglasses, and a long thin tail that helps them balance when standing upright. Their fur is usually light brown with darker stripes across their back. In short, they are small, sleek, and perfectly built for life in open landscapes. Meerkats are native to southern Africa, particularly the Kalahari Desert in Botswana, parts of Namibia, South Africa, and Angola. These regions are known for their dry, open, and often harsh environments. Why is this important? Because meerkats are experts at surviving in tough conditions. The desert may not sound like an easy place to call home, but meerkats have adapted in clever ways to handle extreme temperatures, limited water, and the constant threat of predators. One of the most fascinating aspects of meerkats is their social life. Unlike many other small mammals that live solitary lives, meerkats thrive in groups called mobs, gangs, or clans. These groups can range from 10 to 30 individuals, though sometimes even larger groups form. Within a mob, there is a clear hierarchy. Typically, there is a dominant breeding pair, often referred to as the alpha pair, who take the lead. Other members of the group take on roles such as babysitting, guarding, or foraging. This cooperation allows meerkats to survive in an environment where going it alone would be extremely risky. If you picture a meerkat, chances are the image in your mind is one standing tall on its hind legs, scanning the horizon. This behavior isn't just for show, it's an important survival strategy. While some meerkats forage for food, others act as sentries, standing upright and keeping watch for predators like eagles, hawks, or jackals. If danger is spotted, the lookout makes a sharp call, alerting the rest of the group to take cover. This system of teamwork is one of the reasons meerkats are so successful in the wild. By sharing responsibilities, they reduce individual risk and improve their chances of survival. Meerkats are omnivores, which means they eat a mix of animal and plant foods. However, their diet mainly consists of insects and other small creatures. Mindfoods: beetles, caterpillars, grasshoppers, spiders, scorpions, and small reptiles like lizards. Occasional treats: eggs, roots, tubers, and small mammals. Interestingly, meerkats are resistant to certain types of venom. For example, they can eat scorpions after carefully removing the stinger, and they aren't harmed by the venom. This adaptation gives them access to food sources that many other animals can't touch. Life in the desert is not easy, but meerkats have several adaptations that help them thrive. Dark eye patches. These help reduce glare from the sun, improving their vision when scanning for danger. Strong claws, perfect for digging burrows and uncovering food. Their underground homes provide protection from predators and relief from extreme heat. Social cooperation, sharing tasks like babysitting, guarding, and teaching young ones ensures the entire group thrives. Venom resistance. Their ability to handle scorpions is a remarkable survival trait. Communication skills. Meerkats use a variety of vocalizations, from barks to chirps, to communicate warnings, coordinate activities, and keep the group connected. Meerkats are highly family-oriented. The dominant pair in a mob typically produces most of the pups, though subordinate members sometimes have young too. Gestation. Pregnancy lasts about 11 weeks. Litter size: usually 2 to 5 pups are born. Cooperative care. Other meerkats help look after the young, including babysitting and even feeding them. This system allows the parents to focus on foraging and leading the group. This cooperative approach ensures that meerkat pups grow up with a better chance of survival, learning essential skills from multiple caregivers. One of the most impressive aspects of meerkats is their complex system of communication. They have different calls for different types of predators. For example, a specific alarm call warns of an aerial predator like a hawk, while another sound signals a land-based threat. Researchers have found that meerkats even adjust the urgency in their calls depending on how immediate the danger is. This level of sophistication in communication is rare among small mammals and highlights their intelligence. Even though meerkats are skilled survivors, they face threats from larger animals. Birds of prey, eagles, hawks. Mammalian predators, jackals, wildcats, snakes. Environmental challenges, heat, scarcity of food, drought. Their group structure and alert system play a vital role in reducing these dangers, but survival is still a daily challenge. Meerkats have become cultural icons. From documentaries like Meerkat Manor to beloved animated characters in films, they are often portrayed as clever, loyal, and even comedic. Their upright stance and expressive faces make them naturally appealing to audiences worldwide. This popularity has helped raise awareness about their behavior and habitats, though it has also sparked debates about their suitability as pets. In reality, meerkats are wild animals with very specific needs and are not domesticated. Currently, meerkats are listed as a species of least concern on the International Union for Conservation of Nature (IUCN) Red List. Their populations are stable and they are widespread across their native range. However, like many animals, they face potential threats from habitat loss, climate change, and human interference. Conservation efforts continue to monitor their populations to ensure they remain secure in the future. What makes meerkats so captivating isn't just their adorable looks. It's the combination of intelligence, cooperation, and adaptability. They show us how teamwork and communication can help small creatures survive in harsh environments. From their sentinel system to their cooperative childcare, meerkats embody the idea that strength lies in community. This lesson, combined with their naturally charming appearance, explains why they continue to capture the imagination of people all over the world. So, what are meerkats? They are small desert dwellers with big personalities, living in tight-knit groups where everyone has a role to play. They dig, forage, stand guard, and raise young together, proving that cooperation is the key to survival. While they might look cute enough to keep as pets, the truth is they are wild animals with complex social needs and instincts. Their true beauty lies in watching them thrive in their natural habitat, standing tall under the African sun, always alert, always working together. Meerkats remind us of the power of community, the importance of adaptability, and the charm of the natural world.